Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Fahad. We have to discuss a very important question of exercise 6.5 second year Federal Board. Question number 5. Prove that the lattice rectum of the ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square is equals to 1 is 2b square upon a. This is the formula of the lattice rectum here. Here this parabola is given to you along x-axis. A is greater than B. So the numerator of A represents the axis of the ellipse here. So here the numerator of A is x. So this ellipse which is given to you is along x-axis, center at origin. So we have to prove that. How we have to find out the lattice rectum, that is 2b square over a. Now we have to draw the diagram here. This is ellipse, center at origin, center at origin, this is the ellipse here, and now we suppose that this is the focus and the coordinates of focus is c comma 0, c comma 0. The coordinates of focus c comma 0. This is c comma 0. A line which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of the ellipse is called lattice rectum. Let's suppose this is P and this is Q. This is the center. From center to focus, this is C. So now we have to find out the coordinates of the point P here. That will be x component is C, comma, and the y component will be PF. PF. This is the coordinates of the point P here. P x component is C and the y component is PF. So the coordinates of point P is C comma PF. Now this point lie on the ellipse. So we have to put the value of x, it is equals to C, and the value of y, it is equals to PF in the given equation of ellipse here. So this is the ellipse, that is x square over a square plus y square over b square, that is equals to 1. So the value of x is c, so this is c square over a square. The value of y, it is pf square over b square. So this is equals to 1. Now c square over a square we have to shift to the right hand side here. So this is PF. Now PF over b square, it is equals to 1 minus c square over a square. We have to shift this c square over a square left hand side to the right hand side. Now take out the LCM here, that is PF square over b square. Just take out the ordinary LCM here. So this is a square minus c square over a square. Now here we know that we have to use, first we have to shift this b square to the right hand side here, and this is a square minus c square over a square. We know that, dear students, we know that b square, it is equals to a square minus c square. So just we have to put a square minus c square, that is equals to b square. So this is b square over a square. So this becomes b power 4 so this is pf square, it is equals to b power 4 over a square. Now just take out the radical on both sides, so that will be equals to pf square will cancel out with the radical, and the radical of b power 4 will be equals to b square, and the radical of a square will be a. This is the value of pf. Dear students, pq is the lattice rectum. So we know that focus is the midpoint of the lattice rectum. So that means PQ, which is the lattice rectum, that will be equals to PF plus FQ. Since F is the midpoint, so the distance of PF will be equals to PQ. So therefore, that will be FQ is equals to PF. FQ is equals to PF. So this is 2PF, and this is 2, and what is the value of PF? B square over A. So this is the length of lattice rectum B2B square over A of the ellipse x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1 is 2b square upon a. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.